What up, my Zay people? Okay, there's this like weird myth that if you sneeze with your eyeballs open, they'll freaking pop out. Like, but I know it's not possible. It's a fake. It's a freaking fake. It's a phony. It's not true. It's not possible. Whatever. Y'all probably think, but if you try it, it's not gonna happen. I bet y'all that it really would not even happen. So guys, you know what I'm gonna do? You know what? Instead of just waiting until I sneeze, I probably would just probably can just tickle my nose until I sneeze, and just sneeze with my eyeballs open. Try my best to keep my eye open. Okay, guys? Let's break this myth. Let's prove that this is fake. Let's prove it. Yeah, guys, let's prove this. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, I just heard with music or something, but who cares? Oh God! Oh my God! Oh my eyeball! My eye! Oh my God!